check one in our history. Now they really want we ignore it. Look how them murder innocent and said that that's a victory. And them hit all the food and never left nothing for we. They give them lots and them earls and them juke them. They never left nothing for the little jungle is you them.
Yeah, it's Harry Shotter down at the UTR. It's going mad out there right now. Dr. P, Flux Pavilion, smashing it. About to go on with Hazard in a little bit and tear it up. It's sold out event. It's mad out there. Everyone's going crazy. Looking forward to bringing the energy, yeah?
Hi, this is Spy representing Hospital Records. I've just finished to play here at Minister of Sound. It was an amazing experience. Thank you very much for having me down.
I'm Dr. P.
I'm Flux Pavilion.
And we've just played UTR at Ministry of Sound.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
It was sick as fuck.
Yo, this is Skepta Boy, better know. Just come off stage at UTR, the snow rave, it was mental out there. But if you don't know about UTR, I just want to tell you you're very, very, very late. And that's honest, that's not like some promo thing. Like, it's a big rave, proper music, real music, everyone enjoying themselves.
Yo, what's going on? It's Young Man here at Ministry of Sound London. Just had a wicked time doing Under the Radar, the Snow Rave. Mental out there, kids going mental.
Look at this guy. He's a rock star, isn't he? He's a rock star. He's watched one too many Slipknot concert. Porn star? Yeah. Don't know about that. Seen you in the shower, lad. Anyway, we'll be back here February the 13th. I don't know if it's here. It might be somewhere else. Andy C, P Money, Young Man, and more. Of course, the president will be here. Idiot, Majestic. Wishing you a Merry Christmas, a Happy New Year. If you haven't got me a Christmas present, I'm going to send Noel Edmonds round your house to play Deal or No Deal live with your family, and there's no money in the boxes. Champion Soul. Make sure you come to the next UTR, check them out. I said so, Skepta Boy, better know. Peace.